Well, man, wet day today here in Kanata. I'm in the north end of Kanata. Going to go for a little hike today at the Sheila McKee Park just to get out of the house, take a few photos. Sometimes overcast, crappy weather makes for some interesting photos. Rain is coming down. I've got my camera gear, a nice waterproof bag here. Shouldn't be affected by it. New rain jacket to break in from Eddie Bauer, which is I'm stoked to try that out. And one of the side effects of getting all this rain, which is a good one, is that my Funmobile has not looked this clean in months. She is looking pretty shiny right now. Well, we'll take a little hike and we'll go check out some of the stuff down there. We'll go down along the river and see how the ice melt's going. One of the great things about coming out on a wet day is you have the whole place to yourself. There's not another soul around, and it's incredible. Like I said, it's not cold today. It's just a great day to be out of the house, other than being wet, but beautiful. Woo, she is wet. Rain is coming down, beading nicely on the new jacket. Looks like all the runoff is tearing its way down to the river, and it's really doing a number on this trail. Just coming down the trail here, I happened to look down and notice incredible, it looks like slate, old slate that's been with the water eroding away all the soil. It's exposed. It's this really beautiful color. It's got a fantastic color to it. Amazing. You can see where all the stone dust and stuff has been redeposited down through the woods. Water makes its way back down to the river, and it just took all the stone into the bush with it. Down to the beach, see how it's going. I can hear it already. Water splashing up on the shore. It must have completely melted out now. It's amazing along here. Already the ferns are growing. Moss is green again. See all the layers of slate. And then it's the amazing fact that trees can grow such thin soil. These cedars are coming right out of rock, basically. $16.35 on the old D750, Old Faithful. Lots of miles on her. Some neat ice formations down here with the water running out of the rocks. Might grab a few frames out of this. Wow, pretty cool sound. You hear the ice along the shoreline here with the wave action clinking like glass, busted glass almost. Go down and check it out. Take a few frames here. Some pretty interesting and moody light down along the river today. Definitely going to get the camera in full action here. We'll grab a bunch of frames. It's quite neat. And this place is just amazing. Really, really, really something interesting. Got these undercut rocks all along the shoreline here. Really, really neat. The water's just pouring out of the rock all along here. With the fog moving in, it's quite mysterious looking. Really, really got a great atmosphere. Super cool. Really happy I decided to get out of the house and come out for a wander today. Really worth it. Getting some really neat photos. Just coming along the shore here, and I can see a huge section of rock that has sheared off over the winter. Amazing. Just incredible. It's taken down huge slabs of this slate and even trees, root systems here. Really, really amazing. This is incredible how much has come off the bank, the shoreline. That's from the ice. You can see the exposed roots. Really, really neat. Up in here, one big cedar just hanging by its roots still. Really interesting. Wow. Well, that little venture down by the beachfront there, really, really worth the stop. I think I got some great stills. Look forward to seeing those in the computer and editing when I get home a little later. But we'll head on down through the forest here for a little bit more of a wander. It's such a beautiful day. It's not cold out, but it is definitely very wet. Coming along, and I found bone here. There's no teeth in it now, but it's definitely a jawbone of some sort of little creature here in the forest. It's just here as I was walking along. Yeah. Sometimes if you look around, you can actually find the whole skull or the rest of the skeleton, but I don't know. I think it might be just a piece of scattered debris. Pretty tricky right now. Anyway, neat find. Well, back in the truck, a little bit wet. Gear off here. Camera is quite soaked, but it's been out in worse weather than this, and it's always survived. It'll dry off quite easily. But yeah, that was a heck of a nice wander. Really fun. Anyways, thanks for coming along. Take care.